I forgot to film it, but I just, hope you can see it, fixed the cracks in the front bonnet unit. So and I replaced some popping nails, I don't know how you call it in English. So hopefully that will be dry in a few hours, minutes. It's already dry, but you can see. So this has to dry, then I can sand it down, then do some polyester plamuur. Plamuur? How do you call it in English? Plamuur. Yeah, plamuur. And after that, we're gonna spray the ones again with a filler, sand it down again, and then give it its final color, black. So this is going to look amazing. Hi there, welcome back. I'm talking a little bit quiet, hope you can hear me. It's been late. Kids are sleeping. You can't hear me. I said the kids are probably sleeping now. And my wife is in the living room. And I just finished working on that thing. I still don't have a proper name of it for it. But today I repaired the polyester, the cracks, and I sanded it down and sprayed it, and tomorrow I hope to put on the polyester plamuur bondo, and then finishing that thing up. Also tomorrow Andy's coming back. He's gonna finish the welding, so let's enjoy the show. So final fix to the inner piece. Two parts I forgot are now almost ready for some bondo, and Andy is, look at that, almost finished with the front end. Fantastic, very nice. It's a never-ending story. La 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 la. Well, front is finished. Back to the back of the car, where we had some dramas. And hopefully it will be a lot better this time. So I'm gonna put the front wheel back on, get the car back on his wheels, and then take the back wheel off, so Andy has a good space to work on. Well, that has been a long day. Lots of progress. You can see on the back. I still haven't found a name for that thing, but the inner hub part, the car is black. The front, yes, there it is. Haha. is welded and the back is welded but still not finished, and he has to do some work on it before finished, but we're almost there. Next week we're gonna finish this part, put some metal putty I think on it. Yes, metal putty on it, then move the car this side, do the final piece on the front, some small parts like this here finishing up, and then time to clean the car and send it to the painter. Yeah, let's set it in put it in the paper. Painter, the car is going to the painter. Yes, and after the painter the engine is going back in. Bloop. And when the engine is back in, I think then we get the car back here and we gonna start reassemble the car. Finally, but we're not there yet, so probably a long way to go, and we can find, well, a lot of things can happen, but we're moving forward. So thank you again for watching, and please like, subscribe, spread the word, watch all the videos, do whatever you want, don't watch it, I don't care, but support this project because I want to be on the road and I want to take people out for a drive, and I want to drive myself. So see you again next time. Goodbye.